we have to be okay with going back to discomfort.
We're at our second annual Breaking Barriers Symposium, and it is just going incredibly well. Counties have come back since last year. They've created programs to integrate care to comprehensively serve children and families in their counties in California.
It's always great to network and listen to what others are doing and how they're doing it, what they have faced, and learning from them.
Through the work with Sanger Unified, we've had monthly meetings with our partner agencies. So it's been Sanger Unified School District staff, Fresno County Office of Education staff, the Department of Behavioral Health, Department of Social Services, and Probation.
People here have been talking about the fact that the resources exist, the knowledge exists, the technology exists, the funding exists in order to do this work, but it's really about connectivity.
Well, it's radical. It's about actually changing relationships and actually understanding the law and then making ourselves flexible so that when a child, youth, and family needs something, we can meet their needs across systems in ways that are understandable and don't create more barriers for those families.
Our problem is a self-made problem, which means you all can figure out how to fix it and we can get it fixed.
We're providing strategies, whether it's academic, socially, or emotionally, to support kids of color who are struggling, who are behind in the achievement gap, and everything we're doing is not necessarily working, or we're not implementing it effectively or tracking it to see what can we do next. So we're here today to say that we want to follow the model that Desert Mountain's doing because they're seeing results.
Think very specifically about when you run up against those organizational walls, whether it's policy, whether it's decision-making authority, whether it's something that's happening at that level.
This is an inspiring symposium because it really is taking the areas that we have felt really have bounded us from moving forward in the work that we want to do and releasing those barriers. It's taking it and just breaking the chains. And that's what we're hearing here from all these different communities and from the presenters, is that it is possible and you can do it.